Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, we say thank you for always joining and always watching our videos. So let's get into today's video. Today's review would be on this movie titled Death Trap. Yes, this is a Yoruba movie. If you love amazing movie, you should have seen this amazing one. And yes, from the title alone, you already know this movie is not coming to play. The title Death Trap immediately gives you the feeling that somebody is walking into a situation they may not be able to escape from. So the big question here is, who is actually trapped? And more importantly, who is behind the trap? Let's talk about it now. So my thoughts on this movie, yes, my thoughts on this story. First of all, I think the movie does a good job of creating that feeling of suspicion and uncertainty. You are watching the characters and you are trying to understand their motives. That's exactly what this movie does. And yes, you start asking yourself, like, can this person really be trusted? What is this person hiding? And how is all this going to end? And honestly, this is one thing I really enjoyed about movie like this. When a movie can make you question the character and keep you interested in what is happening, then the movie is already doing something right. One thing I love about this movie is that it gives us drama, tension, emotional situation, and a kind of conflict that can make you sit there and say, so now this one they happen. So one major thing I like about this movie is the suspense element. The movie doesn't simply give you everything immediately. It makes you watch and gradually understand what is happening. And I love this movie about that. So guys, if you have not seen this movie yet, Death Trap, what are you waiting for? Go ahead now and watch this movie and come back to our YouTube channel to give your own honest thoughts below in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in our next one.